right, welcome back. And today we're going to be talking about credit card offers that you get in the mail. What should you do when you get a credit card offer or a loan offer in the mail? Today I went to the mail, of course, and I had this envelope waiting in the mailbox for me. Um, and it was from Chase, actually, and it was in reference to my business account with them, and possibly getting the Chase Inc. Business cashback card. So whenever you get one of these offers, what I want you to do is, they're going to show you all of the glitz and glam. So start off and look at that. Check out what the offer is. So this particular offer, it's a cashback offer, and it's going to be a cashback card offering you $750. But the catch is there is a spend of $7,500 within the first 3 months of opening the account. I always tell everyone to make sure that they check that out because especially with business cards, they're going to want a lot of spend out of you for you to be able to get that money. So if you're trying to get the money off of these sign-up bonuses, make sure that you pay attention to that number that they want you to spend. So this one's $7,500 within 3 months. The next thing, obviously, unlimited 1.5% cash back. That's pretty good. That's kind of like standard right now, 1.5%, 2%, right in there. Some cards are offering 3%. And then with category cards, obviously, you can get, 5% in certain categories or 6. Then make sure that you look out for these two things. These are probably the most two important things. And this is how you can usually tell right off the bat if the company offering you the card is worthwhile, is because they're going to have these two things usually on the front, right available to you, and they're going to be nice numbers that you like. So the APR, as well as whether or not there's an annual fee. So on here, if you look, 0% APR for the first 12 months, but then you want to know what it raises to. So after that, it's going to raise to 13.24 or up to a range between 13.24 up to 19.24. Again, no annual fee, and then you can add employee cards at no additional cost, which is always great when you're dealing with business cards. Then the next thing I want you to do is there's always going to be some type of fine print. So basically, I want you to read the fine print, read the back, and know what it is in there. So this card, they're showing you your protections in there. So you got auto rental collision, you have auto rental collision damage waiver, you have travel emergency assistance services, roadside dispatch, fraud protection, zero liability protection, which you want to make sure you're always looking for that zero liability protection on every card, so that if your card ever gets stolen or anything, most cards offer it, but just make sure that it's on there. Then it's going to show you extended warranty protection as well as purchase protection on this particular card. So this is giving you all the card's benefits. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, this is the most important section that you want to check out when you're looking at a new credit card. Is I want you guys to read this fine print. Read these little tiny words. This is where they hide what they don't want you to see. And this is probably the most important part of any one of these letters. If you read down here, it's telling you that cash advances are a variable interest rate, but they're $24.99, and they go up to 29.99 for interest. So that tells you that a cash advance is going to cost you between 25% and 30% interest. If you don't know what that means if you go for a cash advance of $100, you're going to be paying between $25 and $30 in interest on that cash advance over the course of a year. Then there's also a balance transfer fee of 5%, which is something I'm not a big fan of, balance transfer fees, because you may want to transfer a balance. A cash advance fee on top of that is 5%. Then it also kind of gives you the fine print here that this offer, it says on the front of it that it is for $750, right? So if you look at the offer, it's going to tell you, hey, this is for $750. However, you know, and they put that in pretty big letters in the letter, $750. Now, when you go back to the back, it's going to be kind of hard. You may not be able to read it, but this is telling you you'll get 75,000 travel points, which is worth $750. So this is why I always say make sure that you read this, so that you know what all is in there. It's going to give you more information on your rewards, on your cash back, on those interest rates, and all the stuff that they don't want you to see. They hide it in the fine print. Why is this important? This is important because some of you guys will get offers from different companies, and they are going to talk their company up, make their company look good. You may get offers from subprime lenders, and if you're new to credit and it's your first ever offer, you may think that it's a great offer, where they're offering you, cash up front, but that offer on the back end may cost you a lot of money. There's the potential of 30% interest rates and other things like that. So what I want you guys to do is take this moment to stop sleeping on the money and wake up and pay attention to whatever comes in the mail, or whatever offers you get in your emails or from your banks, to make sure that those banks are directed towards yourself, in a positive way, and that they're going to be of benefit to you. So as always, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next